Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Manuel here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to design a simple social media post design or flyer. And this one we are going to a new style, or we are going for a new style for, let's see, a shoe brand or a company that deals with shoe, and we want to design a simple flyer in Photoshop to promote their shoe brand. So I have here a shoe. I have here a shoe, and then I have my color codes here, how I want the whole step to be. So the first step is to get a background. Always get a background first, to create a guideline so that you don't end up messing up your work. Good. So now that we have our guidelines, you can duplicate this layer to create a shape where the shoe is going to lie down, or the shoe is going to be placed. We get our color codes back again. We call this one square with square, and then you can pick this color to serve as a backdrop or a background for your work, and then you expand it. Let's try and expand this one to something like this. Good. Now we have our sneakers coming all the way to fill a part like this. I do not know the name of this shoe, but let's call it Nike. So the next thing is to let people know this shoe is Nike. So we are going to type Nike, Nike. Good. Now we have to expand the text so that we have three separate text in three dimensions or layers. We come to this side, the properties, and then you try and expand the text so that we make it go down a little bit to something like this. Isn't bad. Something like this isn't bad. You ensure it fits perfectly for the shoe or the image that is going to sit on it. So now we have something like this over here. We change the color. We are going to change the color to something like this. Good. This is very nice. Okay, good. So I'm going with pink because pink is also a beautiful color. We bring this text behind, and then we have something like this. Like. It's best to rotate the image like this, or we can keep it this way, and then we try and expand this Nike text to fit the shape or to fit the screen very well. So once it's been sent to your phone, which will be shared on social media, you get a perfect thing. The next thing is to get maybe a price. So let's see, the price is going to be here. Let's try and get a color for the price circle. So let's go for this yellow over here and type in the amount for this shoe. I think we should compare somewhere here. Okay, good. So now that we have something like this, we are going to get a price for our shoe. So let's see, $500. $500 dollars for this shoe. Okay, so $500 for the shoe. We change the color to a nice color, white, and we can press it for it to fit. Yes, so we have something like this, which is cool. Or we can even move it far away, so that the money can fit. Or let's change it to our local money. So 500, and then we have GHS. So GHS is Ghana cedis. In case you do not know, the 500 is going to be like this, and then we have our money being attached, or our price tag being attached to it. So we have price. Okay, good. Mostly you see them adding something like available for purchase. So you can You can change this one to available for purchase. Type in available for purchase. Available for purchase. Available for purchase. Okay, so the available for purchase can be somewhere down, somewhere this place, or we can even change this color to this black. Then we can bring it to where there is white, so it can be visible no matter where you stand. You can easily see this font to know that this shoe is available for purchase and for sale. Okay. So now this is a simple flyer you can design and post on your social media. The final one is to hide your color code and then declare your guidelines, and then you are good to go. So basically, this is how to design a simple flyer for social media. I'm going to design more social media flyers which can help small scale business or even top brands to follow and use as a guideline for their flyers. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please, in case this video helped you, please subscribe and share the link to a beginner out there. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.